Hi, welcome to One Berlin, the AR Experience. We are Nomtek and we have the pleasure of being your host at this augmented reality event. At Nomtek we play around with innovation and we want to share our knowledge and experiences that we create and design. Today we will show you augmented reality content that you can not only interact with but become a part of it. We invite you into this unique way of networking where you can share your stories, ideas or requests. They will remain fixed in time in an alternate dimension. For example, you can share your thoughts about AR or XR. If you happen to be exploring the technology yourself, we think that this is a perfect opportunity for you to share your goals or achievements. You can start by getting a feel of this new reality. Walk around and check the stories that others have already created. You can add comments and reactions to them. Once you feel comfortable, you can record your own. Once you're done, there is an option to share your content to the social media. If you decide to share, please tag us with @Nomtek. Enjoy your time at One Berlin, the AR Experience.